Hey everybody, this is Bill from Family Handyman. Today we have another kids project for you. This is going to be really fun, requires basic skills. We've got materials that we got from a local big box lumber store and these really great brackets we found online. Let's get started. So for materials, we need 4 4x4 8-foot 2x4s, one 10-foot 4x6. All of the lumber is going to be cedar toned and treated. And for hardware, what we need is 4 12-inch galvanized J-bolts and 4 1-inch by 1.5-inch I-bolts. Then for the swings themselves, we got sets of these swing hangers. We got a total of 6 of those. And then the 2 brackets that we got from Eastern Jungle Gym that come with their own hardware. So the first thing we're going to do is attach our brackets to the end of the top beam. Now that we have the brackets on the end, we're going to pre-drill 3 holes on either side to receive these 3-inch bolts. Now that we got all our holes pre-drilled, we're going to put in our 3-inch lag bolts. You can either use an open-end 1/2-inch wrench like this, or if you want to save some time, grab a drill driver and get a socket on the end of it. That's what I'm going to do. Before we attach the legs, we're going to lay out the swing hanger hardware. Each pair of hardware needs to be spaced at 16 inches apart and then 18 inches from the swing next to it. I'm going to start from the center and work out. Once you get your marks laid out in the beam, you want to make sure they're centered at 1 3/4 inches. I use my combination square to do that, but you can just use your tape measure. And then at each point, we're going to drill a pilot hole with a 1/4-inch bit. Okay, so the next step is pretty straightforward. We're going to take each of the 4 legs, insert them into the brackets. Same routine again, we'll drill pilot holes and then put in our 3-inch lag bolts. Okay, for safety's sake, we're going to put this 1-inch I-hook about 2 inches up from the base of the post and then drive this 12-inch J-bolt into the ground. So that's it. The structure went together really easily. Basic skills and some basic tools to do so. We rummaged around and found some things that we could use, the bucket and a pull-up bar. We had this old toddler swing still on hand. You can find whatever you want, maybe around your house, or go out and shop for what you need. So for more great projects like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.